So we're making good progress on our home show booth. And one of the innovations that we came up with this year is we want to find a faster way to be able to assemble and disassemble the booth, because it takes a lot of time to be able to do that, and especially if you're doing it with one person. It can be very laborsome. With two people, even then, you need helping hands to do something like this, what we've done in the past. So with this unit, what we try to do in our pantry setup is to attach some upper cabinets to each side, because obviously it would be easier if we had a wall to do that too, but we don't. So this is going to be somewhat of a floating upper cabinet. And what we've done in the past is run a bolt through the pantry and line it up here with the upper cabinet. Make sure we've got it secure, put our washer, put our bolt on it, or our nut on there, and secure it in place. So that would typically require 2 bolts up top, 1 at the bottom to keep it in place. Now what we've come up with that's different here is the cleat system. And the way the cleat system works, I'll show you here. This is an example of a larger version of it. So we have the portion that is going to mount to the pantry itself. Actually, I've got that upside down. It would be here. It would be mounted to the pantry itself. And then this part is mounted to the upper cabinet. So it just slides down and rests in place. So I'll show you what that looks like here. It's really simple. All we have to do is come in and lift this up. And you can see that's the corresponding components that are mounted to the pantry, and then the same things for the upper wall cabinet. And so those two come together just like we had here, as you can see. So it would be this piece like this on the wall or on the pantry, and this matching piece that comes together, and then that allows a really secure fit. It's not going to pull off. You'd have to take a lot of effort. It's got to be lifted straight up in order to come off. So we'll do some kind of safety latch on the back to keep that from happening. But a real simple process, doesn't require any tools, just a little creativity in how we do it. One thing I did learn is you want to make sure to do this, and when it's glued, don't put it back in place while there's still some potential glue that can cause things to seize up. So anyway, hope you like it. It makes it a whole lot easier.